sometimes heat and penetrating and everything else doesn't work. These didn't come out because I couldn't get to the threads with the penetrating or the heat, the rubber seal on it. It's for the rear spoiler on a 944. Anyway, doesn't matter. So if they don't look like that, nice and pretty, and you get the perfect fit for the Phillips head, sometimes they're like 4 different kinds, so you got to make sure it's right, and then put the bit in there with a screwdriver and tap it. Wake up the threads if you can. If that doesn't work, don't try too hard. After it starts to spin, just stop and cut a slot in it with your Dremel tool, and not the real thin cutting wheel, the medium sized one, usually about that big around. They fit a regular screwdriver pretty good. So as you see, I got a little too aggressive with that one, but that's a perfect slot. For a screwdriver, a really nice screwdriver, one that's square at the bottom, not one all chewed up from using it as a pry bar. If you don't have a good screwdriver, don't even mess around. Go buy a good screwdriver. Don't put one that's all worn out in this slot, because if it didn't come out with the Phillips head, you put a crappy non-fitting flathead in that slot, it's just going to chew up the slot, and then you're going to have to drill it out, which is a real pain in the ass. This is the best way. If this doesn't work, then oh well, you got to drill it out anyway. All right, have fun.